It's natural to feel sad. It's part of being human. No matter how bad the situation, even if the suffering feels endless, there's light at the end of the tunnel. The Almighty has promised us. He won't burden us beyond our capacity. He will give us the strength that we need. Don't become obsessed with social media. When the number of likes and followers is your main focus, when your values and morals are compromised, or when you barely spend time with family or your maker, then it's time to change. Slow down and ponder. The successful prioritize correctly. Many chase money, wealth, status, etc. in life. But never have they found true contentment and peace of mind from any of that. Because the hearts are attached to the wrong thing. If you want a heart that's content, develop a relationship with your maker. Your soul will be at ease. Don't hate or begrudge someone who ignores you. If it makes them happy, so be it. Don't let the behavior of someone else affect you. You can't change people. But you can go where you are appreciated. Remember, life has a way of dishing out to others what they dish out to you. Your trials are meant to draw you closer to the Almighty. For you to acknowledge His might and prowess. Only He can grant you relief. If they take you away from Him, you've failed the test. It's important to understand His plan so you don't lose out on what's in store for you. The hardest part of life's journey is going through the unfamiliar or unknown because we don't know what to expect. But when you walk in firm faith, you no longer worry about what will happen down the road. Your heart trusts the Almighty. You know He has it all figured out. Don't despair when you see others receive blessing after blessing and have their prayers answered. Understand that the Almighty has a plan. He will respond when He feels the time is appropriate, when He feels that you're ready to receive what you've been asking for. Patience. Social media makes you focus on what others have. You yearn for their lifestyle, their 5-star holidays, palatial homes and perfect families. You are immersed in something that's not yours. Start focusing on what you have. Be grateful. You have a lot to be thankful for. A lot.